Yes, we're about to install CCTV camera, Neview camera. Okay, 4K CCTV camera. You know, 12 megapixels, right? So this is how we do it. 4G network receiver. You get a 4G network receiver. Alright?
Okay.
You see it? You screw it. You screw it. Yeah. Alright? The SIM card, it's already inserted here. Okay? We have the SIM card and memory card here. Okay? Yeah? Yeah. This is the panel. Alright? This solar panel for charging. Alright? We hang it. You see we have our holder, cable tie, right? So you get it there. Okay? Alright? Very simple. Okay? Very simple, and you clip it and do your configuration. Simple. Depending on the platform you want to install it. Okay? Very simple. Very, very, very simple. You clip it. So simple. Okay? Like, subscribe to our channel and get more updates. Alright? Subscribe to our channel and get more updates. Hit the subscription button. Thank you. Eagle Eye says so. Thank you. That's bye.